just in time for the holiday party season, one of the nation's top beverage, food, and fun experts is here with mouth-watering recipes and easy, entertaining tips. Belinda Chang is a James Beard Foundation award-winning sommelier. She is teaming up with Wisconsin Cheese to share the perfect party pairings and recipes. Welcome, Belinda Chang.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm ready to get festive and get holiday.
What goes into throwing a great party for a famous sommelier?
Well, since I'm an award-winning sommelier, I'm always thinking about wine. When you think about wine, you think about cheese, and we have to think about sense of place and the terroir. So, of course, we're thinking about the state of cheese, Wisconsin. They're always thinking about their commitment to perfection. They have an intense pride, and they have more awards than any state or country in the world. These are these cheesemakers in Wisconsin. This is the only state where you require a license to make cheese.
Do you have any creative recipes to share?
I have 4 ideas for you. We always love a cheese board with blue cheese, Gouda, Havarti, Parmesan, and Pleasant Ridge Reserve. We're going to serve these with all the accoutrement because these Wisconsin cheesemakers never stop experimenting and creating fresh spins on the classics. This is a whole world of cheese in just one place, and I'm serving the board with a Port Tonico, refreshing, bright, herby. I also have this fun dish, a cheesy hash brown egg bake, which is going to be toasty, golden, delicious, crunchy, and we're using the Roth Buttercotch cheese for this one, and serving it with a Bellini bar or a mimosa bar, or maybe all 2 of those, plus a Bloody Mary bar, brunch, yum. And then we also have these fun, creative cranberry cheddar chipotle wonton cups with Henry's cranberry cheddar or Henning's chipotle cheddar cheese. That's gonna go along with this fun, bubbly red with cranberries. We're past Thanksgiving, but I can't get enough. And then, of course, something sweet. These are espresso Parmesan pinwheel cookies that are gonna be so fun with a little coffee. We're using the Belgiosa ricotta con latte and also the Cheddar Copper Kettle Parmesan. And all these recipes can be found on wisconsincheese.com and so many more. There's going to be so much cheese this holiday, especially when you look for the Proudly Wisconsin Cheese badge on the cheeses at your local grocery store.
Where can we find out more?
You're going to go to wisconsincheese.com for all of this delicious fun.
Thanks, Belinda.